Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to find phone with Google Assistant. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Google Assistant doesn't have a direct feature to help you find your phone. However, you can use a feature called Find My Device that is associated with your Google account. This feature allows you to locate, lock, or erase your Android device remotely. And here's how you can find your phone using Google Assistant. Step 1. On another device with Google Assistant, smartphone, tablet, or smart speaker, you can say, "Hey Google," or activate Google Assistant using the dedicated button. Step 2. Now, make sure you have Find My Phone app installed on your device. And once you have, say, a command like Find My Phone or Where's My Phone? Step 3. Google Assistant will provide information and might offer to open the Find My Device website. Follow the prompts to locate your device. And since I've got no extra Android phone or extra device, it will look like this. If I have extra, the app will attempt to locate your device on a map like this. Similar to the web version, you can use features such as play sound, secure device, or erase device. Ensure prerequisites. Ensure that location services are enabled on your lost phone for accurate tracking. Your lost phone must be signed in to a Google account. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.